Hi guys, hello. So thank you so much guys for coming to join me again, part 2, 2 or 3. Anyways, thank you so much guys who've watched my previous video, who supported me, and who liked and subscribed and share. I appreciate you guys so much. Today we got some more yummy yum. Today we're eating fresh boiled chicken with North Carolina bamboo. So if you know about the North Carolina bamboo, holla at your girl, comment below. And also I got some fried jalapeno peppers with some green chilies. I don't know what the kind of pepper they are. And some fresh homegrown picked chili pepper. It is so bomb. I don't have salt today, but oh well. And I got just a little bit of rice. You know, I'm trying to do the high protein, more veggie, low carb. So it's only a little rice. But, you know, you can't eat this without any rice, you know. So, yeah. And again, if you guys hear, like, dogs start barking in the background, it's because I got dogs up here, obviously. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I look so dead today. Sorry, guys. It's about that time again where I eat before I go to work. So that will be fun. Anyways, let's get started. Let's eat because I'm super hungry, ish. And I am ready to grab. Okay. So how are you guys doing out there in the world? Let me know. Here, let me give you guys the first bite. Here you are. It's so bomb. Now, if you never had North Carolina bamboo, you guys need to go and get some. It's so bomb. It's so good. It is so much better that, you know, I guess it just depends on my mood too. I'm never gonna lie. I guess it just depends if like what am I craving for? Because I love the bamboo jalapeno instead of the cans instead of that too. But I also love fresh bamboo. Especially North Carolina bamboo. It's so good. And I'm trying to savor my rice because homegirl can't eat too much rice. Here's some chicken meal. And was much on there or what? No. It's so bad. Excuse my fingernails too. I just been so busy with work and my best is very shy that I don't have time to worry about my nails. I left over nail polish on there. And etc. Yeah. So I decided not to go to the gym today and eat. That's loyalty, y'all. That's loyalty. To you guys, of course. Look at all that bamboo. So bomb. I feel special to you guys how good it is. And this jalapeno pepper too. I wish it was a little spicy, but it's not at all. So we gotta go in with the Thai chili pepper. My dad grew there, of course. That's one thing I love with my dad is that he's such a hardworking man. That So bomb. But my dad is such a hardworking man. He always makes sure every year that we have like veggies, especially peppers and all that stuff. But but now that he's gotten older, that he doesn't farm, he doesn't garden a lot anymore. Super sad life. Super sad life. So in my previous live video on Facebook, so if you guys are my friends on Facebook, I talked about the controversy going on about David Gang, because I thought it wasn't important, but it was interesting because, you know, I was just thinking, like I was saying on there, you know, people saying that he's taboo and stuff, you know, and just I still stand behind, even though I would never taboo and I would never date my cousin or my brother, sister, my stepbrother or my ex stepbrother and all those stuff. Like, I mean, the thought of it is nasty. Of course it is, you know, but at the same time, you know, like maybe they are still related, like the marriages by last name or something, and you know, you can't help who you fall in love with. I still support that. Like, you really don't know who you gonna fall in love with, just say. But it's nasty, but just my opinion. This is my opinion. What do you guys think about the what do you guys think about taboo? I think it's nasty, but it is what it is. To those people who doing that, okay, we can't help fall in love with whoever, because obviously, like I said, the people who ain't falling in love with you and do you too well, so I guess your cousin know you best. Just saying. Okay, let me stop. But yeah. Dude, I have so many. And my coach saw me eating this. Saw she Laura. If she saw me eating this, she'd be like, why are you eating rice and this and that? So, when you see this coach, my bad, bro. Oh, and I told her to watch my video from last time, and she was yelling at me like, that is not part of your diet plan, and blah, 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 blah. But sorry, coach, I'm eating again. But oh, so have you guys seen have you guys watched my 600-pound life? So I recently started watching that, or like all the series and stuff, and then like, so his name is Dr. Nalzarda. So I've been watching him and all that stuff, and I'm like, shit, you know, like, I'm overweight as heck. So I need to get my life together even more. I mean, I'm already on this journey or whatever like that, but I told myself that I was gonna work hard and try to lose weight and go with his diet plan and everything like that. So he doesn't know yet, but I got a doctor now, y'all. A doctor is Dr. Nalzaria. He doesn't know that yet, but I know that. He haven't met me, but I've met him through the episodes. So like, I be hella pretending like, whenever I watch a new episode, when it goes to the part where, you know, like, they're gonna meet the doctor and everything like that. So I be hella pretending that like it's me, and I be like, yes, doctor, I know I'm overweight and blah blah blah. Yes, I know. And okay, I will work harder this time to try to freaking lose weight. and whatever like that. Dude, her diet plan is freaking like, intense. It's like you can only eat 120, 1,200 calories a day, and I'm just like, oh my god. Basically, it's like high protein, low carb. No sugar. Definitely no sugar. And no fruit too. Cause you know you get a lot of sugar from fruits and stuff. So it's no sugar. Everybody at heart I have for a parent, because when I first transitioned to my diet, I was eating like protein and veggies, and if I, like, since I'm a big girl and I'm craving for sweets and stuff, so yeah, I would replace my sweetness for fruit. But this year, I don't know what's what. Yeah, but and there's no snacking. No snacking. That's the hard part, because big girls, we got snack, we got snack. But yeah. Also, so like those of you who know and don't know my sister, so I have an older sister. She lives in Minnesota, and but every time I watch her eat, like, she doesn't make videos or anything like that, but like in person, if you were to watch her eat, excuse me, if you were to watch her eat, you'll be like start craving for that piece of meat or whatever that she's eating, like for real. Like this, like chicken breast. I'll show you guys how she eats. Like, she'll check it and she'll eat it. Bro, like she didn't eat it dramatically like that, but that's how she ate. Look, and it's dry as fuck. And I'm just like, bro, like, for real, like, give me some of that. So it'd be like intense and shit when I watch her eat, because I really want some of that shit. I'll be like, damn, sister. No, come on. Give me some. But y'all, this chicken is giving me life. Everybody out there else loves eating fresh boiled chicken, but this girl does. I love it. I eat like an old person, like a very traditional old lady, an Asian lady. Cause I am the baby of the family, so I pretty much ate what my parents ate, and I love that. Like, I just love it. I love it. Like, I love it. It's something about traditional food. The old blend food is just so bomb. Oh, you guys heard noise in the background? Like that. Well, that's the AC. Sorry, guys. It's still hot here. It's so bomb, y'all. Oh, and it's sometimes, like, talking about my sister, I catch myself eating like her. Just because. So, shout out to her, though. Shout out to you, Sister Lou. I love French boiled chicken. Oh, and I love the neck. Anybody love eating the chicken neck? Anybody from the countryside too? Shout out to all my country folks. Shout out to all y'all now. This is the chicken neck. It has so much meat and so much skin. That's why I love it. Hey, what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, nah, I remember now. That was my thinking head. But so I never realized it, but I never realized it until my coworker and then they would tell me. They say that sometimes when I talk, I have an accent, and I was like, I have an accent. What you mean I have an accent? Like an Asian accent? They're like, no, you actually don't have an Asian accent. So I don't know if I have an Asian accent. Sometimes I do hear myself, catch myself having an Asian accent. But for the most part, I don't think I have an Asian accent. But they did say that I have a country accent. And I'm like, what? I want to have a country accent. I want to have one. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so they said that sometimes I got a country accent. I was like, well, I didn't realize that. Like, sometimes I be like how I say my five. Like sometimes I be like five, or sometimes I be like 5995001. It's I don't know how to say it. But yeah, they say I got a country accent, and a lot of people say I have a country accent. I can't tell though, but I was told that. But I thought it was kind of cool. I'm like, hell yeah! How you doing, partner? I'm so funny. Dude, and my coworkers, I think I'm funny. One of my coworkers, he asks me all the time, have you ever thought about being a comedian? I'm like, no. That's too much work. I ain't that smart. I can't think that fast. But I do be thinking real fast. My reflex get like, whoa, what you say, boo? Whoa, what you say, boo? But yeah, it works just like that. My reflex of the self-defense mechanism is kicking. What? Yeah. And he's like, you should be a comedian. And I'll say, no, but for real though, you should think about being a comedian because you're so funny. And blah, blah. I'm not, nah. First of all, I ain't that funny. And that's too much work. I barely have time for myself. And that's true. I do barely have time for myself. And I don't do nothing. But yeah, he always say that. And he said I should be a comedian, but I don't know. I don't think I'm that funny. Sometimes I think I am. Y'all think I'm funny? I think I'm funny. I'm funny. I'm funny as heck. Just that. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. It is so long. So bummed. I'm almost done. It's so sad because it's so good. And this is everybody's favorite, the drumming. It's dripping on me. Oh my god. I love fresh boiled chicken. It's so bomb. I some more pepper. It's not spicy at all. I think I'm mainly eating it for taste. What's your boss on? Oh, and I know in my previous video I said I was gonna eat octopus, but hunger haven't had time to make octopus. So for sure in my next video I'm gonna eat octopus with the sauce, with the same sauce. So come check me out in my next video. So yeah. It's so bomb. I yawn. Like I was saying. Sorry guys, I just had a sneeze and cough attack after that, but I was not lying. It was so bomb. It was so bomb. But yeah. Okay. If the meat wasn't so tough, I would have eaten all that. But I'm all done. I'm sad life now. So, super sad life. And thanks so much, guys, for coming to watch me. I appreciate you guys. Each and every one of you guys always come to support me. In my next video, I'm gonna eat live octopus, like I said. So come watch me again. And if you haven't, please share, and like my video. Comment below what you would like me to eat and stuff, and it might just happen, and I might just give you a shout out. So, excuse me. So let me know if you guys want to see me eat other things, or what exotic things you guys want me to eat, if I could find it in my town. But yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys haven't, please share, like, and subscribe. Otherwise, you guys have the greatest day in the world. Bye guys.